I just wanted to record this real quick because I wanted to thank everyone who helped me get my new computer. It's all customizing clip in the background because I wanted you guys to have something to look at while I was talking about this. So just to briefly explain, I have a LOL Surprise Hair Goals Series 1 Witchy baby that I found online, and I'm just repainting it. I wish this video was going up on Halloween because the theme is pretty appropriate, but I hope you guys don't mind that it's slightly overdue. So anyway, just to begin, the people who donated to the cause are Tim Plays with Dolls, Maddie Ranger, Kit KDJ or DA Space Pony, Court of Swords, Merida Dvorak or Midnight Redhead, Supernova Wizard, Scrapdoodle, Miss Creepella Von Sticks, Godvocado, and Savvy Digital. Thank you guys so much for your help. I couldn't have done this without you, and I really appreciate it. It felt so good to know that there were people out there who care about my work and want to help me continue doing it when things like my computer breaking stop. I could honestly go on and on about this, but to prevent myself from rambling and from being a bit too cheesy, I just want to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you guys, and I really couldn't do it without you, people like you who want to see me make stuff. And I just, yeah, there's no words that can describe how much I appreciate you guys and the help that you have given. So yeah, I'm repeating myself, but thank you guys so much. And I hope to continue making content that makes you excited, that you all like, and that you guys will continue to support me as I go on. So once again, thank you guys so much, and thank you for the rest of you who didn't donate but still stuck around even as I took my very long hiatus, and just for enjoying what I create.